What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be automating my workflow. Now, what do I mean by that? As a developer, or really anyone that's working on the computer a lot, you're creating files and stuff like that, directories or folders and a bunch of that stuff. It gets tedious sometimes to have to always create a new folder, open that folder, create a file, and then open it in your text editor of choice. So today what we're going to do is we're going to write a Python program to create a folder in a specific directory, meaning in a certain destination, whether it's in your projects folder, your dev folder, your desktop, wherever. And then we're also going to write a bash script, meaning we're going to write our own command for bash in the terminal to navigate to that folder, cd into it, so go into the folder, create a Python virtual environment, activate that virtual environment, and then also open the code editor. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, how is he going to do this? Wizardry? No. It's actually really simple. So the way the terminal works is there's a bunch of commands in there, right? You have the cd command to change directories. You have the ls command to show you a list of everything within a directory. So you can actually write your own commands, and you can do this in a .sh file. So we're going to be making our own sh file today and creating a command called create. So we're going to get to that in a little bit, but for right now, we're going to cut and we're going to write the Python program. See you guys in a minute. Alright, so now that we've gotten the Python script down, now we're actually going to write the bash script. Now, I've been working on this for about a week now, and I've actually gone through all the struggles, so you don't have to. Again, this isn't a tutorial channel. I don't usually do tutorials, but I'll just get into this real quick for just a minute. To create a bash file, so you name it whatever you want, so mycommands.sh, which is what I've named it. And then you have to specify which bash you're using. So in your terminal, open it up, just type which bash, copy that, and you're going to put it in a hash bing. Now, a hash bing is a hashtag, exclamation mark, and then paste whatever you got out of that which bash, which for me was /bin/bash. Now, if you're running ZSH or Z shell, it's not going to work. I don't know why. I tried it. I was filming it, thought it would work, didn't work, scrapped it, went back to bash, and it worked. So if you're running ZSH, it's not going to work for you. I'm sorry. You're going to have to go back to bash. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a command called create. And in that, now we're going to cd into our home directory, which is where you should put this file. we're going to then run the Python program we just wrote so that it creates the directory with the name that we gave it. Then we're going to cd into this new directory we just created, and then we're going to touch or create a file called main.py. I'm a Python developer, so that's mainly what I use, main.py. And then we're going to create a Python virtual environment, and then we're going to activate it, and then we're going to make it run code dot, which allows us to open Visual Studio Code. In this directory, all the files open, and away you go. So we're going to do that now, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show people that you guys can automate your workflows. This is a quick, easy way to do it. You can even do it for your notes in class. You just write a Python program to save a text file somewhere, then open it in your favorite text editor. Now, if you're going to do that, that's one thing I wanted to mention at the end of this. You can't open Evernote or Bear or OneNote or Microsoft Word, even, for at least to the best of my knowledge. This only works for like Visual Studio Code, Sublime, Atom, I think, which those are amazing text editors. They're not just code editors. So if you guys want to, you guys could try it out, take your notes on them. They're not as pretty, so you don't get the top bar like you will on Microsoft Word or Pages or anything like that, where they have the bold and this and that. You don't get any of that, but it works. So if you guys want to try it, go ahead. And while you're at it, leave a like down below, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.